season. Just me, the TV, and all the snacks I can eat.
Yes, it's a great day for an exciting game of badminton.
They got the bad part right.
Aye, 'tis a fine day for the Healing Games.
I love the Healing Games. Better stock up on some more munchies. Now, where are my haggis-flavored pork rinds?
This concludes our free preview. If you want to see the Healing Games, call your local cable service and pay up today.
No! Me Healing Games!
Congratulations, Mr. Walrus. You're an official cable subscriber.
Yippee-dippee.
I get a bonus for any referrals, Mr. Walrus. Maybe you could have some friends over to enjoy the Highland Games.
Did you say Highland Games?
No Highland Games for me. Just the Swedish channel, yeah.
Hey, buddy, can you put your cable on sale for a true Scottish patriot? The Highland Games are the pride of me people. Wait, I've watched them since I was a wee scraper of a twig pecker.
No discounts on my watch, Red. You pay full price like everybody else.
Only 2 hours till the games, and I can't afford full price. I need cable.
Oh, yoy, the Swedish channel.
Excuse me, Mr. Walrus, but we forgot one crucial part of your cable, the black box. Alrighty then, Mr. W. We'll phone you from the cable office. You tell us when your parabolic receiver is giving you the best reception.
Hello?
Okay, Mr. W. I just need you to scan through the channels and stop on 47. Stop right there. And, could you turn up the volume? Now, don't move for, say, a week, while we make some very technical adjustments.
Just doing a service check, Mr. Walrus. How's your cable service going, huh?
The cable's still not coming in.
What?
Just, sampling.
Woodpecker!
It's a federal offense to impersonate a man at a cable. I'll be keeping a sharp eye on you, Red. That cable service is licensed to Mr. Walrus's TV and his TV only.
If the cable's wired to Wally's TV, that's just okie dokie with me. Neighbors should share and share alike.
Welcome to the Swedish channel's Cooking with Meatballs, followed by the hit game show, Oh Boy, Who Wants a Green Card? Today's recipe is entitled Cooking with Plutonium. We will make the average wiener dog into the uber wiener dog. First, we must boil the water, but not just any water. Use Swedish fjord bottled water. Available for a short time only to use Swedish channel viewers for only $30 a month. Call the number on your screen and order now. Now, pour 2 cups of Swedish fjord water into the pan and bring it to a boil. Next,
Ooh, look! The alphabet's in my soup are spelling out a message. Don't hit the good-looking woodpecker.
Such flavorful yoy from such a small herb.
I've gotta watch the games. Wait a minute. The cable is registered to Wally, so the cable can only be watched in Wally's house. Not a problem.
This is odd.
Today's simulcast will cover all sorts of events from the...
This is yours.
Cable, satellite is the best reception on the planet. 3, 2, 1. And the best part is, it's free. Now I'll never get to watch the Highland Games.
You're under arrest for violation of airspace, violation of international satellite treaties, violation of local and federal zoning laws, and for generally having an all-out bad idea.
You can't arrest me.
I can't, but he can.
Oh boy, we get the Highland Games.
The only games in here are chess by mail and a little diversion the boys call, "Hey, what are you staring at?"
Now for my version of What Are You Staring At? The Highland Games. Could you at least turn up the volume?
Dr. Rachel, I can't hide it anymore. I think it's time I told you how I feel about you.
Tune in next week to see the dramatic conclusion on Woodpecker ER.
Wow! The medical field is so exciting. The action, the drama.
Nurse Winnie to emergency.
No,
Dr. Winnie to brain cert.
no.
Chief of Staff Winnie to the OR. Stat.
I'm gonna find out about a career in medicine today.
But boss, I'm so close. All I need is a proper subject to clone. Well, don't worry, boss. I'm on top of it. Yeah, I'm a dead man. If I don't find a subject to clone right away, I'm washed up, finished. Where, oh, where will I find a volunteer? Huh?
Hi! I want to work here.
What are the odds?
It's Winnie Woodpecker, and I'd like to become...
That's fine, that's fine. If you'll just step into my lab, we'll run a few tests. All right, listen up. This is a precise scientific instrument designed for only one purpose. Of course, I wouldn't expect a layman to understand.
Why, no, sir. How could a layman be expected to know about a linear instrument designed to test the effect of the harmonic resonance on the rhombic area with an emphasis on the cordial nerve group?
All right, then, let's get started. Huh?
Oh, doctor! My first medical emergency! Test complete, Doc. Am I ready to work in the ER?
Let's move on to another test, shall we? This test will measure your brain activity and IQ. Please answer all my questions as quickly as possible. Ready?
Ready?
What is 2 plus 2?
4.
What's the definition of plethora?
A lot.
What is mitosis?
The division of a cell nucleus.
What is the
Astronomical
Ptolemaic
system of
system?
Ptolemy, in which the Earth is at the center of the universe.
How did you get that so fast? Is this giving you the answers? Give me that. Now, ask me a question. Go ahead, ask me.
What does that lever do?
This lever...
That is dangerous. Doctor, this will be perfect training if I decide to go into the physical therapy department.
Just keep running. I have to find out if you're a good enough subject to clone.
What did you say?
I said phone. Phone. I have to test your hearing on the phone.
Doctor! Oh, no! What Woodpeck ER. As I always say, when in doubt, improvise. That's inflation for ya. Yes, another medical miracle performed by Winnie Woodpecker.
Oh.
Ooh, when can I use these, Doctor?
Just get behind the machine. All right, Winnie, this should be painless. Winnie! Oh, I knew I should have finished medical school. Huh?
I'm ready for my close-up, Doctor.
Eye exam. That's it. Eye exam. Please read the top line.
You.
No, you read it.
I?
Yes, you. Now go ahead.
Why?
Because I said, okay?
Okay.
Oh, never mind. Let's do a CAT scan and see what's going on in that head of yours.
Oh, no, Doctor. I'm allergic to cats.
There's no cat here. That's just what it's called, a CAT scan.
But I sneeze, swell up, and itch all over.
Look, CAT stands for computer axial tomography. There is no feline in this machine. I'll prove it to you.
Doctor, now that you see I can handle any emergency situation that arises, what department will I be working in? Emergency room? ER? Recovery? Operating theater? Whatever we do had better be in a hurry. After all, my time is valuable and,
Nothing! Nowhere! I want you out of this hospital!
Well, I'm not so sure I even want to work in a hospital that has the likes of you on the staff. Harsh words, but a doctor has to assert herself. I'm going all the way to the top, Doctor.
That's not the elevator! Oh, I'll be blamed for everything. I gotta get out of here.
Oh, no you don't, Doctor. You're not well enough to leave our care. Dr. Winnie Woodpecker, meet Nurse Winnie in the OR. Hello, Nurse Winnie. Who's your friend? He doesn't look well. Right this way, Bandage Boy. In order to work in a hospital, you've got to have patience.
You know, this life of leisure is wearing me down. What I need is a vacation. Hello? Travel agency? I'd like to book a vacation, preferably somewhere warm. I've saved my whole life for this trip, so money is no object. You heard me. A nice long holiday.
What a swell setup. Hello, friend. You look like you could use a vacation.
Who are you?
Boink Buzzy, traveling vacation salesman. Glad to know you, chum. Glad to know ya. Yes, sir. You have just won a free vacation to the Joyman Polynesian Islands. With a one-time processing fee of $5,000, you will be well on your way to the island vacation of your dreams.
German Polynesian, eh? Well, how come I never heard of them?
Why, that's because it's an island and they don't have any phones. It keeps away the riffraff.
How quaintly rustic. Well, I have to think about it.
There'll be girls, sport.
Ah, go on with you.
Not just any girls, chum. Hula Fraus.
Hula Fraus? What's a hula frau?
There's just the business of the $5,000. Then you're good to go.
Hula Frow's, here I come.
Okay, let's get this crate off the ground.
Hey,
Please don't annoy the pilot during takeoff.
this I gotta see.
Contact. Buzz to ground control. We are experiencing turbulence. Mayday! Mayday! Geronimo! Aloha, mein Liebling. Join us now for thrilling tropical high dive spearfishing in our exotic fish tank. So long, sucker!
Look what I caught.
Oh, swell. And guess what? For $100 more, those can be cooked up in a customized culinary concoction by our very own chef, F.E. New.
Chef F.E. New?
Yeah, if he knew you were coming, he'd have baked a cake.
Hey, you. Where's this so-called luau?
What luau?
This luau.
The one with the hula frows. Right this way, my good fella. Hula frows. So long, sap. Nah, that's silly.
Surf's up, Wahine Schnitzels. More ice, man. Where do you keep the ice? Rotten pineapple. Yes?
What's going on in there?
Sorry, invitation only. Oh boy! The song, the thrills, the hula frows. What a luau! And I owe it all to you, pal. This is the best vacation I've ever had in my life.
Wait a minute. There ain't no luau. There ain't no vacation. And I'll prove it.
But
Woohoo!
hey, let me back in.
Beat it! I'm taking over this vacation.
Oh yeah? Well, I paid for it.
There's your money back. Deal's off. Now get lost.
I'll report you to the German Polynesian Travel Bureau.
German Polynesian? You go ahead and do that, chum. I made it all up. There ain't no such a thing.
Hello, German Polynesian Travel Bureau? I'd like to report someone.
Yo!
Yeah, some buzzard tried to sell me a scam vacation.
Hula frows, here I come. Crowbar, jack, the dynamite. What am I gonna get next?
How about 5 to 10 in the pokey?
No!